Let's talk about year-over-year comparison and quarter-over-quarter comparison. Year-over-year is a method of evaluating two or more measured events to compare the results at one period with those of a comparable period on an annualized basis. Year-over-year comparisons are a popular and effective way to evaluate the financial performance of a company. Investors seeking to gauge a company's financial performance using year-over-year reporting. Year-over-year comparisons are popular when analyzing a company's performance because they help mitigate seasonality, a factor that can influence most businesses. Year-over-year calculations are straightforward and usually are expressed in percentage terms. This would involve taking the current year value and dividing it by the prior year value and subtracting 1. This is an example of the model we're going to build in financial modeling section of the videos. And you can see that here, for example, in the assumptions, we're doing year-over-year comparisons of, for example, revenue growth, where we are seeing that my revenue growth is my current year divided by my prior year minus 1. You can see the formula here. So this is a great example of year-over-year comparison. Quarter-over-quarter compares a change in performance between one fiscal quarter and the previous fiscal quarter. Quarter-over-quarter reflects short-term changes in various metrics and can indicate company performance over 2 quarters. Businesses that have income fluctuations or peak earnings at certain times may need to make seasonal adjustments to use a year-over-year metric to measure performance. So these are two methods of comparison that you can use when evaluating company's financial performance yearly or quarterly.